Introducing our new Pro Series, bringing you some of our best-selling toupees, but with an upgrade. What sets the Pro Series apart? It uses luxurious European hair known for its softness, durability, and realistic appearance, combined with cutting-edge technology for maximum comfort and durability. These hair systems are best for those with warm hair tones and are not offered in ashy or black colors. Our Pro Series line consists of the M101 V Pro Thin Skin Hair System, which features a 4 to 6 mil skin base and knotless V-loop, offering a virtually undetectable hairline and enhanced comfort. The M105 Pro is a complete French lace system with an additional 10% volume at the front for enhanced styling, flexibility, creating a seamless and natural look. The M115 Pro elevates Swiss lace to new heights, providing a soft, natural look. It is flawless and has a realistic hairline. The M204 Pro, thanks to its poly-painting construction, it ensures easy installation and maintenance while offering short to medium durability. And finally, the M110 Pro features fine welded lace with 90% hair density and nanotech knotting. Ready to elevate your look with the Pro Series? Don't miss out on the latest in luxury hair system. Subscribe now and hit that notification bell to be the first to know when our new products drop. Your perfect hair is just one click away.